The BT YouView maintenance mode loop is a frustrating technical issue that affects thousands of users across the UK. When this problem occurs, your set-top box becomes stuck continuously cycling through maintenance screens without ever completing its updates or returning to normal operation. This issue particularly affects the Humax DTR T2100 and DTR T4000 series models. BT has acknowledged this as a known problem and has streamlined their troubleshooting protocols specifically for these maintenance mode loops. Under normal circumstances, maintenance mode is a diagnostic state where YouView boxes perform essential system updates, software patches, and hardware checks. This process should complete automatically within 30 to 60 minutes and return your box to normal operation. However, when the maintenance mode loop occurs, the system gets stuck and cannot complete this process. Instead of finishing and returning to normal operation, the box continuously restarts the maintenance cycle, leaving users unable to watch TV or access their recordings. The maintenance mode loop can be caused by several different technical issues. These include corrupted software updates that fail to install properly, hard drive failures that prevent the system from reading or writing data, unstable network connections during critical update phases, power supply problems, and overheating that causes system instability. The good news is that several proven methods exist to resolve maintenance mode loops, and BT has developed streamlined troubleshooting protocols specifically for this issue. Understanding these causes helps in applying the most appropriate solution for your specific situation. When your BT YouView box gets stuck in a maintenance mode loop, there are several proven troubleshooting methods you can try. Each method targets different potential causes of the problem. Method 1 is the power cycle reset. This is often the first and simplest solution to try. Unplug your YouView box from power for exactly 30 seconds, keeping all other cables connected. If the power cycle doesn't work, try method 2, factory reset. Access this through your remote control by navigating to Settings, then Device Management, and selecting Factory Reset. Method 3 addresses potential hard drive issues. Access the Hidden Service menu to run a comprehensive hard drive test and repair process. This can take several hours, but has a high success rate. Method 4 is the Network Reset Protocol. Disconnect the Ethernet cable during maintenance mode, perform a power cycle, then reconnect the network after the box reaches the main menu. Now that we've covered the troubleshooting methods, let's focus on prevention strategies to avoid maintenance mode loops in the future. First, ensure a stable broadband connection with a minimum speed of 10 megabits per second. A wired Ethernet connection is preferred over Wi-Fi for system updates. Maintain proper environmental conditions. Keep the YouView box below 35 degrees Celsius with adequate ventilation and maintain humidity between 30 and 70%. Use surge protectors or uninterruptible power supplies to ensure stable power delivery. Power fluctuations during updates can cause maintenance mode loops. Finally, perform regular manual reboots weekly and never interrupt the maintenance mode process once it has started. These simple practices can significantly reduce the likelihood of experiencing maintenance mode loops.